You can vibe code completely for free without using a platform like Lovable, Claude, Replit, Base44, any of those, by using what's called AI Studio. It's a feature within a larger software platform, and I'm going to show you how to use it today. This is AI Studio. It was just released by the HighLevel team, and it lets you build apps, landing pages, websites, anything you really want, you can build inside of AI Studio. Now, today I'm going to tell you about some best practices and how you can use this best in order to make good websites and good apps that actually function on the platform, and then actually launch them live on a custom domain completely for free. The first thing is you need to understand what this is. This is a chat-based interface which allows us to talk to an AI and tell it what we want it to build. It will code a platform for us after we do that, and then we can launch it on a domain. So the first step is having good prompting. But how on earth do we prompt well to this AI? Now, there's lots of resources out there, and I'm going to tell you the best way to get access to the best ones to help you make good prompts for AI Studio. Now, I would recommend the best place for you to go is Lovable's documentation on tips and tricks and best practices. If you've heard of Lovable before, it's another vibe coder which allows you to build software platforms the exact same way as we're doing in AI Studio. So all of the prompting and all of the tips and tricks carry over to AI Studio. Now, if you don't want to have to read through this entire document of good prompting and how to make sure that you're talking to your AI the right way, my best advice is simply to copy the URL, go over to your preferred AI platform like Claude or ChatGPT, paste in the documentation, and say, create a simple prompt based on these best practices to build my X. Now, depends on what you want to build. To get started, let's talk about building websites. This is probably the easiest thing we can do, but we can make this even better with a lead magnet per se. So let's say my web design agency website with a simple lead magnet. So by doing that, we can go ahead and send this to Claude, and instead of us writing a prompt to prompt the AI to make something with AI, we'll have AI make the prompt to send it to AI. That should make complete sense. That's totally simple, but this will make your life way easier by using AI to prompt itself instead of just making the prompt yourself. Now, this is the fun stuff. We actually get to build with our prompts. So Claude just built us our prompt. We will copy this, go back into AI Studio, paste it in. We won't even look at it, and then we will send it through. Now, once we send our prompt through, this is what it's going to drop us into. This is the AI Studio Builder. This is where we are allowed to chat with our AI by typing in this Ask AI box on the left-hand side. We can see all of the different steps it's going through right here, and then we can actually see our build in the live preview section on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, when it comes to navigating this, our chat's on the left. We can throw in attachments by clicking the plus icon. We can turn on and off sound notifications with this little toggle here. We can pause or start or send anything using this button here. Then at the top left, we can click this drop down to see our version history, start this project, move it to a folder, or change our appearance between light mode and dark mode. We can also see our version history using this little button here, the toggle the sidebar, which will just hide that right there so we can see the full project in view. We can also preview, or we can look at the code directly. Now, if you're using Claude Code and you want to throw code in here or copy this and get improvements from Claude Code or other coding apps, and that's totally fine. But for most of you, you can just stick in this preview window. We can also see our previews based on desktop, mobile, and tablet, and you'll see what that looks like in a second once we actually get the platform built. We can then click this button and we'll get a live preview of the actual app that we've built. And then finally, we can publish at the top right. Now, if you're not familiar with what AI Studio is, let me tell you how you can get access to it. So AI Studio is a brand new feature of the platform called HighLevel, or GoHighLevel, if you've heard of it before. HighLevel is a CRM and marketing automation software that just released their own AI Studio so people can use it to build websites and apps and such. Now, HighLevel has 3 different plans, $97, $297, and $497. And for most of my viewers, you guys already have HighLevel accounts. But if you don't have a HighLevel account before, and for most people that watch my videos, since I teach on how to use HighLevel, you already have HighLevel accounts. But if you don't have a HighLevel account, I have a solution for you. So this is Linkific. This is my version of HighLevel. HighLevel is a white labelable software. So this is my version with my logo, my domain, everything. I use it for my own agency, and I'm happy to give you a free account with access to AI Studio if you want to start vibe coding completely for free. This includes a quick course on how to actually use the AI Studio and vibe code inside of the platform. It includes some other videos, and you'll get access to some other features to use the CRM and platform to the best of your ability. Now, if you've never heard of what the term white label is or high level or any of this and doesn't make sense, let me explain. White label means we can just put our own brand onto the platform. So tons of creators like me and other business owners take HighLevel, put their logo on it, put their domain on it, and then resell it to their customers as an agency or a SaaS. Now, if you don't need to do this and you just want to have your own account to build your own websites and such, then you can totally do this with an account on side of Linkific. But if you ever want to expand and maybe resell it, apply your own brand, do exactly what I've done here, I've got tons of resources to help you out with branding the platform, selling it to your customers, and launching it as your own white label SaaS. If you just want to get started with AI Studio completely for free without having to go to HighLevel and pay $97 a month to get access to this one feature, you can go to linkific.com/vibe. The link will be in the description, and you can submit this quick form and you'll get login access to your very own vibe coding account where you can vibe code inside of HighLevel completely for free. And if you ever want to leave and become your own agency, white label it for yourself, we'll eject you completely for free. We're happy to let you go off on your own. We're not going to keep you hostage. But again, it's completely free. It's just one form you fill out. There's no credit card or anything, so you can get started for free. And there it is. Beautiful. So it just made our web design website. This looks absolutely awesome, super professional. We can even see that it is mobile and tablet optimized. So this is freaking awesome. You can see right here, we've got all of our different pages. We have our services page, we have our portfolio page, we have an about page, and then a contact and a free audit page. This is that lead magnet that we told it to create. Again, I created this just from one sentence in Claude to give us the prompt, and then we sent it over to AI Studio. That's how you get really, really good results using AI Studio. You get good prompts, you give it lots of information, you give it specifics as far as what you want, and it's absolutely awesome. And then whenever you're ready to launch this, you can just publish this at the top right, change your little preview link. You can publish it on that URL. It'll actually automatically generate you a social image, a description, a title, a logo, even your company name, so you don't even have to think about that. It's so cool. And then you can click apply changes, publish this, and then whenever you're ready to add it on your custom domain, again, it's completely free in HighLevel, which is so cool. You don't have to pay anything extra. So you just click add custom domain, you throw in yourdomain.com, and then you will get your host record and the value to add to the domain. You can do this even inside of HighLevel. So if you don't have a domain already, you can purchase it under domain settings and then launch it live right here. I fundamentally think that this is going to change the web design industry, especially now that this is plugged in with HighLevel. And the best part about this, since HighLevel has all these other tools like the CRM, the calendars, etc., we can connect it to those by just telling it to connect to the CRM just like that, and it will connect it to the CRM on this location. So feel free to play around with this. Take the code that you get from these websites, send it to Claude, let it go back and forth. And the best part about this, there's no usage. You don't need a credit card to do this. There's no usage costs or anything. There's no credits or anything, no tokens, at least for now. So get in while you can, start using it, build some websites, get some stuff out to your clients. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So again, if you have any questions and you want to get started with this completely for free, drop a comment or click the link in the description to get a free account under our white label agency so you can start vibe coding completely for free. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. My name's Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.